As human beings, we all have different learning styles. Like, I'm very much kinesthetic. I need to actually do that thing to learn how to do that thing. And some people like to read, some people are listeners, and it's exactly the same when it comes to managing our mental health. Hi, my name's Graham Cullis. I'm an artist and mental health ambassador. I'm really excited about getting involved with this project because I really am passionate about the wellness space and the mental health message, and I want to help other people. And I'm also a surfer, so I want to go surfing right now. There's going to be lots of different tools for different people, not one fits all. When I'm there at the canvas with my brushes, I'm almost and I start the painting, I'm almost in a trance. Like, hours can fly by, and I am painting, and then I look at my watch and it's like, wow, I should have gone to bed a long time ago. Do you fancy getting a wave now?
Yeah, I'll come on in.
Yeah, let's do it.